If you're a pianist who is just learning how to solo, or if you're more advanced and want to take your solo to the next level, then this video is for you. There's been times where I've taken solos and it just didn't sound good or maybe didn't feel good. And honestly, I wish I had more guidance on how to construct a better sounding solo. For a lot of pianists, you probably share the same struggle, not feeling confident, not knowing what to play, and not knowing how to create a solo that tells a great and memorable story. I've been blessed to win Grammys, tour the world, and perform with some of the greatest musicians. I've learned that the reason why most musicians struggle with their soloing is because they do not understand how to use the core building blocks of music to create memorable solos. And I want to help you solve that problem. So I partnered with Musicplay to create a 30-day interactive piano workshop where I'll be teaching you my core secrets to soloing. You'll also have a second instructor, my friend, Alan Merville, a former music theory professor at the Berklee College of Music. We'll take you through a step-by-step 30-day curriculum designed to show you how to unlock your full creative potential. You'll also be learning, collaborating, and sharing with other students on a new Musicplay platform. Listen, we know that when you join our workshop, your goal is to drastically improve your soloing. So we're throwing in a bunch of educational resources. You'll be getting a new lesson each day with weekly projects with over 8 hours of instructions. You'll be able to use Musicplay's new interactive platform features to get real-time AI performance feedback on how well you're performing, step-by-step exercises, and live weekly Q&As from both Alan and myself to answer any questions and give you personalized guidance. So let's expand it a little bit further to a different motif. So notice what I'm doing here. I'm using only the notes that are inside the chord, and I'm also using notes that's in the key of E flat. La 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 la. La 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 la. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. So the idea there was the pentatonic and then stopping on the melody note of the E chord. Adding the passing chord can influence the solo in so many different ways. When you add a chord in the middle of it, you can then solo over that chord to go into the next chord. Oh, it kind of jumps out a little bit, being able to add that one G minor to the F. Okay, so this time I'm going to show you how we use this first rhythmic motif to establish the rest of the solo. I'm really passionate about helping musicians grow to achieve their goals. I want to share with you the techniques and applications that actually work. So if you're ready to learn how to solo or take your soloing to the next level, then click the link below to enroll now.